If you want to start gardening but aren't sure where to start or are nervous about starting, here are some of the easiest fruits and vegetables for beginners. First up are bell peppers. These are so fun to grow and start off green but mature to red, orange, yellow, purple, or brown depending on the variety. Caneberries, such as blackberries and raspberries, can provide tasty fruits in the summer and can also help feed birds and butterflies. They come in vining or bush varieties, and if you're worried about thorns, there are thornless varieties available. Cabbage seems complicated, but it's actually not, and it all comes down to timing. While the summer can come too quickly to grow a cool loving vegetable like cabbage, you can still plant the seeds in mid to late summer for a harvest in the fall. Cucumbers are pretty low effort, but they may need a trellis unless you get a dwarf or bush variety, but whichever variety you choose, cucumbers can be very prolific and can grow quickly. Garlic can be planted in the spring, but it's better to plant garlic in the fall since it will lead to bigger and better crops because garlic needs enough cooler weather while growing, or else the bulb like heads won't separate into cloves. However, once planted, garlic is a set it and forget it crop, which can be harvested in the late spring to early summer. Strawberries are so flavorful and come back year after year, and some varieties send out runners that root to create more plants, meaning you can have your own strawberry patch in no time. Choose June bearing varieties if you want most of your fruit ready to harvest at the same time, or choose ever bearing varieties to harvest fruit throughout the season. Tomatoes come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, but any homegrown tomato just tastes better. They can be grown easily in ground, or if you have a smaller space, they can grow really well in containers, especially if you grow a dwarf variety. Zucchini and squash seeds can be sown around the end of the spring planting season. Soft skinned squash should be consumed shortly after harvesting, and thick skinned squash can be stored into winter. Now that you know which crops to start out with, as you grow, you'll want to protect and feed your plants. Sevin insect killer dust can help protect your plants if you see them being eaten by insects, and it's easy to apply by just giving your plants where you see problems a little shake to apply a thin layer on the upper and lower sides of leaves, stems, and flowers. If you're worried about it harming non-target insects, you can place mesh sheets over the area you applied it while the problem insects get taken care of, or avoid using it on plants with open blooms to protect the pollinators. To encourage bigger, more bountiful fruits and vegetables, the Alaska Fish Fertilizer Tomato and Vegetable 366 blend has you covered. It's a fish based formula that provides slow release nutrition that feeds for up to 4 months, and it's easy to apply by scratching it into the soil and watering it in. Now that you know what to grow and how to protect and feed your plants, what are you waiting for? Get outside and start that garden.